Self-doubt has been your companion for far too long. Today, I want you to know that you can walk forward without it. So let's chat while I stay home and get a little yard work done. Self-doubt is not a life sentence. It is a habit of thought. And like any habit, it can be changed. So let's explore how to let go of that doubt, how to quiet the inner critic, and how to build calm trust in who you are right now. Step 1. Notice the voice. When you hear the thought that says you can't, I want you to pause. Don't argue with it, just notice it. Awareness weakens its power, and when you call it out, it loses control. Say to that negative voice in your head, I hear you, but I'm not reacting to you. I find this helps with my anxiety too. Step 2. Remember what you've done before. Think of moments you overcame a challenge, learned something new, or made it through a hard time. Each moment like that is proof of your ability. Doubt fades when you face it with evidence. When I think back of all the hard things I've done, I think, wow, I did that and I made it through. And it can be big or small, buying my own car on my own or leaving a bad relationship. They're all proof of my ability to stand on my own. Step 3. Take one clear action. Action ends hesitation. And when you do one small thing, even a tiny step, your brain learns you can move forward without knowing everything. Momentum grows from movement, not from waiting around for perfect timing. I've dumped perfection in the trash, so I think perfect timing needs to go there too. Life is so much less stressful when you toss out the thought of perfection and perfect timing. Step 4. Change your inner voice. To me, this is the most important because doubt comes from how you talk to yourself. So change the language. Replace I might fail with I'm growing. Replace what if I fall to what if I soar. If you fall, you get back up and try again. Or my favorite, and I even have Bestie J saying this one now, when you don't know how to do something, say, I haven't learned how to do that yet. Words shape our belief in ourselves, so we might as well make them work in our favor. You don't have to get rid of all doubt before you move forward. Just start by proving it wrong through action, a little at a time. Each time you do, the voice of fear grows quieter and your own voice grows stronger. You already have proof of your courage. You've made it through many hard moments before, and you can do it again. So today, remind yourself, I don't need to be perfect to begin. I am ready to learn as I go. I trust my own way. I'm ready to ditch the doubt. So try these steps the next time you hear that negative Nelly voice in your head. Tell it to calm itself down. You are in charge now. And remember, it's a process. If you slip, and you likely will, it's okay. Just get back up and try again. You can do it. Just keep trying and moving forward. That's it for this week. I wish you a week of positive thoughts. And always remember, you are enough and you always have been. Until next time, thanks for being here.